PhotowalksTV is brought to you by Paul's Photo in the Creative Photo Academy. How would you like to bring your camera up in the air without flying a drone for a great bird's eye view of the city of San Francisco and all the beauty that is in the city by the bay? I can help you do that on today's episode because we're going to take a ride on the new Skystar. Talk to me about the view.
Well, as you can see in Skystar, you're getting a view that nobody's seen before in San Francisco. So it's really a first-time experience for many people with this bird's eye view of the city. And the size of the wheel and its height is really kind of perfect for the place. It's not too big and doesn't go up too tall, but it gives you that beautiful kind of tucked-in view of North Beach and Russian Hill and Telegraph Hill in the financial district, then off there to Alcatraz Island and Pier 39 and the Bay Bridge and the Golden Gate Bridge. It's just really spectacular.
Did we just do a complete revolution?
We did.
Wow, that was fast. Now, when you say they've never seen anything like it, Coit Tower, you could go to the top.
Right. Yeah. So let me explain what I mean by that. On the waterfront directly, it's basically bay fill and flat for many blocks before the hills begin in San Francisco. So while everyone's seeing the view of the bay from up on Russian Hill and up on the hills of San Francisco, nobody's seen it from the waterfront looking back. And it's really a different kind of experience than what anybody's really seen before, unless you've flown in a helicopter at about 150 feet.
Where is the best spot for the best view here, would you say?
Well, it's an interesting question because there's really two incredible spots on each ride. One is when you're sitting where you are looking towards the Golden Gate Bridge, and the other is sitting over here looking at the Bay Bridge. So it's almost like two separate rides.
I took that literally. Daytime ride and evening ride. I had to go back for a second, right? Want to see which one I preferred? And for me, it's hands down. It's the evening. This is when San Francisco is at its best, when you've got the colors, you've got the clouds, you have Fisherman's Wharf that's coming alive with all the neon signs and stuff. This is a really cool way to see the city from up there and, of course, from down below as well. For more information about Skystar, be sure to check out the blog section of our website, photowalkstv.com. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel right here on YouTube. Please like, please share, please comment, all the other good things. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'm in San Francisco. I hope you'll stay tuned for more episodes of PhotowalksTV. We've got a lot from San Francisco and other great places as well. I look forward to seeing you on the next Photo Walk. Bye!